What do you do for leisure?
Leisure. I bike. I have a bicycle.
That still sounds like work.
I have plants.
Okay.
I'm a crazy plantita in a very weird way. So I would show you the plants because it's very exotic. Would you?
I would love to see the plants. Yes.
Here is an example. I collect codex plants. There. So this.
Wow.
Yeah. They all look like aliens. I know. That's why a lot of people are
super leafy plant.
No, I'm very much into this.
The whole thing is a plant. Is that like
yes, the whole thing. So they're codex plants. They're desert plants usually. The one thing that strings them all together is the big bulb that you see over.
Oh nga, ang laki ng bulb. And is that on soil or is it on, parang I see pebbles?
Yeah.
Or pang decor lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stone siya. Kasi kailangan bumaba ka agad yung tubig.
So for those who are listening, audio, you have to catch the video version on Spotify just so you can see what this plant looks like. Hindi siya masyado mukhang plant. mukha siyang vegetable na pwedeng kainin.
Yes, I have a ton of these.
Hindi siya mukhang potted plant.
Yeah.
Galing. So you take care of those yourself?
Yes, they're my babies.
Ay, ang cute naman. Wait, do you name them? Because I know some people who name their plants.
I do.
Oh, anong pangalan niya?
This one. No, si Winner. I had such a hard time. Ay, grabe. Iba-iba mga pangalan nila.